conditions. And in this case, what will happen to cartosan when you expose it to heat? Do you know? Sige, let's assume that you know what you're doing. Continue.
So the extracted shrimp exoskeleton will be put into 250 ml beakers with sodium aluminum hydroxide.
What's your purpose for putting aluminum hydroxide?
Clean.
To clean? I believe that is an expensive way of cleaning the exoskeleton. Don't know what to do. Oh, yes.
I think it's used to remove the proteins and fats from the...
To remove the proteins and fats. How will the proteins and fats be removed? With the help of aluminum hydroxide. Oh, sabi niya, aluminum. Sodium daw.
Aluminum sodium hydroxide.
Ah, okay. Aluminum sodium hydroxide. So what does it do to the proteins and fats? Is that really possible? It will immediately react with two compounds. A few hours. So how will it react? Describe it chemically.
When we boil the exoskeleton with aluminum sodium hydroxide, so for 1 hour, so the proteins and the fats will...
And what? See, you don't know what will happen? Where will you get the aluminum sodium hydroxide? What will be your source? How much will it cost? We don't want to encounter any problem once we start doing the experiment, including the problem on sources of raw materials. Okay? So, you should identify the sources of raw materials before you start doing the experiment. So that you'll be ready for the experiment. You don't know. Sometimes the materials are not available locally. They exist only in the internet. And when you order them, sometimes the nearest possible source is Singapore, or Japan, or Hong Kong. Okay? Will you still continue with your research work? If the needed materials are not available locally, continue. Let's pretend that we did not encounter those problems.
And after they've been heated, we will be cooling them for at least 30 minutes. And then we will...
You're not sure. Yeah, at least 30 minutes to 30 minutes. Don't say at least. Okay?
And then we will remove the aluminum sodium hydroxide. And then we'll grind it first manually. And then putting it on a 7-speed blender.
7-speed blender. Where did you get that procedure? I'm asking you, yes. You should know your sources. Was it done by previous researchers? Who were those previous researchers? What were their objectives? They use already kasi it's a related study. Plant enhancer. Yes. What did they use? What kind of animal was the source of their chitosan? extract. So how did they prepare? The procedure that you're telling us, that was their procedure? Okay. So that was their procedure.